I am Christina Whitworth, and this is my Select Leader presentation. Mother Teresa, the Leader. If you want to change the world, go home and love your family. Mother Teresa believed to be a leader, you need to start at home. And as a mother, I feel home is where I will have my greatest influence. I have found inspiration in Mother Teresa's word, life, and example. Mother Teresa lived a life where she believed that helping one person at a time is how you make a difference. She valued the poorest of life and felt everyone was deserving of assistance. Susan Posner said, "How you spend your time is the single clearest indicator of what is important to you." Visions equals goal. Mother Teresa's leadership practices paved the way for many opportunities of service and helped others to see what needed to be done. I believe that Mother Teresa was a successful leader because she had vision and purpose. Baledo said, "Mother Teresa is very clear in her goals to love and serve the poor." Model the way. The first step on the journey to exemplary leadership is clarifying your values. Mother Teresa modeled the way for her followers. Leadership and communication is about articulating a message of simplicity and authenticity. Mother Teresa did not command attention on a podium for her oratory. She commanded attention for her conviction and her principles. Inspired a shared vision. When Mother Teresa left the convent, some of her students were willing to follow her. They began a new congregation called Missionaries for Charity. Mother Teresa said, "Good works are links that form a chain of love." People wanted to be like her and give their lives to service. Challenge the process. The difference between an exemplary leader and an individual risk taker is the leader creates conditions where people want to join them in their struggle. An example of this is when Mother Teresa did not accept government grants for her good works. She relied on donations. However, some of her donations came from questionable sources. Anthony Chittick shares in the article The Spirituality of Mother Teresa. Quote, "Mother Teresa had an assertive and charismatic personality, which she cleverly used to her advantage. At times she did accept donations from dictators, war criminals, and other financiers who were notorious for crimes or for human rights violations in their own countries. For example, Charles Keaton in the U.S. and Dilver family in Haiti. For this, some commentators criticized her for compromising her values and indirectly supporting the political regimes of these individuals. In her defense, Mother Teresa believed that the poor needed all the help that they could get, and by enabling people to give to a worthwhile cause, it allows the individual the opportunity to make a small step on their personal journey to conversion." Mother Teresa also relied on donations from her congregation. This generated a ripple effect in Calcutta that later became a powerful movement of self-giving. Most congregations' donations were diminishing, but Mother Teresa's, they were on the rise. They believed in her leadership and they wanted to donate to the cause. Enabling others to act. Leaders strengthen others when they make it possible to exercise choice and discretion. We have a choice to help. Mother Teresa said, "Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love." And this was an example that she led by. While rescuing children or helping the dying, as she did, might seem overwhelming to us, we can help our neighbors and our families. Encourage the heart. When you genuinely love what you do, you'll excel and do well. Mother Teresa is a prime example of this. Love begins at home, and it's not how much we do, but how much we put in that action, Mother Teresa said. "This is my family. I want to follow Mother Teresa's leadership style and put love into action and serve and lead them. Like Mother Teresa said, if you want to change the world, go home and love your family."